That is pronounced like a combination of la 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 like cheering and la 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 like singing. Now you have to be careful because it's not gonna be an English ra. It's not gonna be ra ra. It's a bit hard to explain with English examples because the R colon sounds kind of a mixture of R, L, and D sounds. So that's the thing. In English, the letter R will be pronounced R, but never pronounce it that way in Japanese because it just doesn't exist. So either close to a rolled R, like they do in Spanish or Italian, a trilled R, or an L sound, but don't pronounce it the English way. So da. So between ra and la. That looks like a rabbit that's standing and facing left. Look at its big droopy ears, so cute. Practice writing da. 1-2 strokes. Li is pronounced like a combination of re in read and li in leak. Same here. Don't pronounce it like an English R. It's not re, it's li. Always pronounce it like closer to an L or a Spanish R. Li. How to remember li? The reeds are swaying in the wind. This kana is also commonly written without the connection in the middle, like li, which looks even more reed-like. So that's the thing. It looks like one stroke, but it's two different ones. 1 and 2 from top to bottom. Li. Lu is pronounced like a combination of ru in rule or root and lu in loop. Again, don't pronounce it like rule or root. This is just do, which you'll learn in a sec with a loop at the end. Nu is a crazier root. Why? Because there's a loop at the end. Remember a root. Lu, only one stroke. De is pronounced like a combination of re in wretch and le in led. How to remember de? This looks like a guy kneeling on the ground, retching up his dinner. This kind is similar to me, wa, nu, and ne. What makes this one different is the curve at the back. You can identify this as the guy's knees bending, which makes it clear that he's keeled over, retching his guts out. De, 2 strokes, top to bottom, and a few angles. Do. Do is pronounced like a combination of ro in road and lo in load. In British English, it's more like ro in rot or lo in long. Do. Again, just repeat after me. Do. How to remember do? This is the counterpart to du, except this one doesn't have a loop at the end. So this kana is just a plain old road. Do, 1 stroke. Let's practice reading. Raiyu. Raiyu means thunderstorm. Raiyu. Riyu. Riyu. It means a reason. Rusu. Rusu means absent. Rekishi. Rekishi. So here the E sound in ki can be devocalized. Rekishi. Rosoku. Rosoku. So here u after ro makes it a long vowel. Rosoku. Rosoku means candle. Rosoku. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know with a thumbs up or in the comments. And don't forget to share and subscribe to support this channel. それではまた。